Now next question, question number 4. Prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. This we have to prove. Here also we can take left hand side LHS tan inverse 1 by 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Here we can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y simple identity, because 2 by 11 into 7 by 24 is less than 1. So we can apply, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, as xy is less than 1. So this identity we can apply. Tan inverse x plus y 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Now solve this. Tan inverse LCM 24 and 11. 11 4 ja 44, 22 and 4 26. 11 24 ja 24 into 2 48 plus 77 whole divided by, again LCM 264, and here 264 minus 14. This will give tan inverse addition 7 8 15 11 and 12. 264 and 264 will be cancelled. Divided by, subtract this, we get 250, and divide tan inverse 1 by 2. This is RHS proved. Next, question number 4. Sorry, this is question number 3. And next question number 4. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. This we have to prove that. Here also we will take LHS 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Here directly we cannot apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, because here 2 tan inverse x. So first we will apply 2 tan inverse x in the form of tan. So 2 tan inverse x gives tan inverse 2x upon identity tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. And this will put as it is, tan inverse 1 by 7. Identity we are applying here, since tan inverse 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the identity for 2 tan inverse x. This identity have applied here. Tan inverse 2x, x 1 by 2 is here, and 2 into 1 by 2, this will give tan inverse 1, and 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, it gives 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, this will give 3 by 1 by 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now tan inverse 4 will go up, 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now check here, this is x and this is y. Both are greater than 0, and we find here xy is equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. This will give 4 by 21, which is less than 1. So we can apply directly tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x means 4 by 3 plus tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Same identity. This is the identity we are applying here. Tan inverse LCM 21, 28 and 7 3 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 4 by 21. Tan inverse 21 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 21, and here also we will get 21 in the denominator, that will be cancelled. 21 minus 4, 21 minus 4 gives 17. 31 by 17. 31 by 17. This is the RHS root. Please note down.